Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to use flags in Bash script on Debian 12. Flags are parameters preceded by hyphen used to modify the behavior of a script or command. Flags are often followed by values. For example, in the command script.sh hyphen file.txt hyphen f is a flag indicating that the following argument is the file name. Flags can be short or long, and they enable users to customize script execution by specifying options. Check the OS version by using following command. Create a script using flags by using following command. I will use while loop getOgs command. It is used to parse the options. Case statement. And send the variable in option 1 used for unlisted files. Memory status. Free command. Print current directory. Close the case statement. Close the loop. Save and quit the file. Make the executable permission to the script file by using following command. Run the script file to check the error by using following command. Open and edit the script file by using following command. Save and quit the file. Run the script file to check the error by using following command. There is no error. Run the script file with first option by using following command. This option is used for long list files. Run the script file with second option by using following command. This option is used for checking memory status. Run the script file with option 3 by using following command. This option is used for print current directory location. This is the steps to create the script using flags by using following command.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.